In today's video, we're going to learn how to sign into OneDrive and link it to our existing folder. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome to morethanexcel.com. My name is Mahmoud Basyouni. If you just joined us, please subscribe or follow our pages, and surely do not forget to like our content. First, click on the Start menu and type OneDrive. Then select OneDrive from the results. Next, enter your email address, choose Work or School, select again Work or School account, then enter your password. In the next screen, OneDrive will show its default folder location. To link our existing folder, let's click on Change Location and navigate to your backed up files. If you have backed it up to an external hard drive, please navigate to an empty space in your machine and select it. Then click Select Folder. Follow the instructions until the process is complete. Once done, navigate to your new OneDrive folder and move your files back inside by simply dragging and dropping them. That's it for today. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or thoughts, leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon on morethanexcel.com.